There is a house built out of stone, wooden floors, walls and windows set, tables and chairs worn by all elders. This is a place that I don't feel alone. This is a place that I call my home. And I built a home for you, for me, until disappear from me. To die. I'm in the garden where we planted seed. There is a tree as old as me. By the cracks of his skin I climb to the top. I climb the tree to see the world. When a gust of wind came to blow